Hi everyone, welcome to our weekly market review, your go-to guide for understanding the latest market trends and key events shaping the week ahead. Stay tuned as we simplify the data, highlight the trends of what is happening next week, and tell you the outlook of mutual funds in 2025. Let's begin. The year-end blues seem to have gripped the markets. After the gains in October and November, the market has taken a sharp downturn. Here are the key highlights. Nifty started the week at around 24,800 but slipped to 23,600, a drop of about 1,200 points or 4.77%. The 200 DMA has been breached again, signaling oversold conditions. However, there is a hope on the weekly charts with support levels holding steady. If Nifty can hold above the June election day high, we might avoid a deeper correction. S&P 500 overview. Global markets mirrored the gloom. The S&P 500 fell 2.4% this week, while the Fed cut rates by 0.25% and hinted at two more cuts in 2025. The market was expecting 4. Combine this with inflation worries and the sell-off seems justified. Gold overview. Gold had a minor decline, losing 0.5% this week. The weakening USD INR exchange rate, now at 85, cushioned the fall for Indian investors. Dollar index overview. The dollar index surged to 108, its highest level in over 2 years. This has triggered outflows from emerging markets and metals. Despite the incoming US president's wish for a weaker dollar, global currencies are losing ground to the greenback, which could lead to currency battles as the US tackles its fiscal deficit. Here is how the key indices fared this week. Nifty Next 50, biggest losser at minus 5.84%. Nifty down 4.7%. Mid caps dropped 3.2%. Small caps surprisingly steady, remaining mostly flat this week. Over the past month, small caps have gained 9.5%, a significant bright spot. Year-to-date performance, Nifty up 11.5%, mid-caps up 29%, small caps leading the pack with 34% gains. Sectoral overview, this week saw steep losses across many sectors. Biggest losses, public sector enterprises, PSEs, metals, PSU banks, commodities, and energy down 6-7%. Pharma was the only gainer, rising 1.6%. Over the past month, real estate, IT, and pharma have been relatively resilient, while energy, auto, and commodities have suffered. Year to date, the media is the only sector with negative returns. Sectors like pharma, IT, and real estate continue to show strong momentum and could be areas of focus for trend-following investors. Coming up next week's global updates: UK GDP December 23 final, Q3 numbers to confirm slowing growth, US jobless claims December 26, data to show the state of the labor market after a recent increase. India focus, Forex reserves December 27, fresh data to track changes after a dip in early December. IPO to watch: Unimek Aerospace IPO December 23 to 26, price band 745 to 785, aims to raise 500 crore. Moving to the story of the week, we have the outlook for mutual fund investors in 2025. In 2024, the Indian mutual fund industry hit a major milestone with assets under management AUM reaching 68.08 lakh crore in November, a massive 17.3 lakh crore increase from December 2023. Over 72 lakh new investors joined during FY 2025, taking the total to 5.18 crore. A big reason for this growth was the surge in SIP, systematic investments, which crossed 25,000 crore per month in October and November. Active SIP accounts also grew by 2.7 crore in a year, reaching 10.23 crore. Domestic investors have become the backbone of the Indian stock market. Even during a sharp 7% market correction in October, the worst in 4 years, retail investors continued investing steadily, showing their confidence. India's growth is driven by infrastructure, manufacturing, and production-linked incentives, PLI, supported by higher government spending and rising consumption. Despite global challenges like geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainty, India's markets showed strong resilience. With this solid foundation, the mutual fund industry is expected to grow even more in 2025, and you will have more worth considering investing opportunities. Now, let's move to the major events that will happen next week. Closing thoughts: the markets may seem gloomy, as we approach the end of the year. But remember, volatility is part of game. Stay patient, focus on the long-term picture, and make informed decisions. Until next week, happy investing. Thank you.